It's your girl Jewel Alexandra, and it's been a while since I've did a long video. A lot has happened in my life since, but I decided it was time. 2025 is my year to be able to do content and be able to talk to my people, find my people, and kind of just like be my authentic self and be unapologetic about it. So first of all, let's get into this lay. I just got my hair done. It's my first time having a silk press. I guess this new term, silk press, I guess it's more healthier for you. I'm not a hairdresser, so I wouldn't know. But I got a silk press today, and surprisingly, my hair has gotten longer. If you don't know, I had a baby 5 months ago. So like as a new mom, like, it's just a lot going on. And I'm like shooting this video right now while my husband and the baby sleeps. So I'm just trying to find time and find balance between like being a new mom, but also trying to find the new me and what that looks like, or the new version of me in a sense. So my hair, like I decided to do my hair because I'm going on a work trip on Tuesday, and I decided to, get my silk press. So as it's longer, pregnancy has done me well with my hair. My edges, I mean, it's a little, it's coming out just a little bit from postpartum. But as far as my hair, it did grow a lot, and I think it's the healthiest it's ever been. And then after this, 2 weeks from now, I'm actually going, so this is part of my mommy makeover. I'm actually going to get K-tips. So I guess it's like microlinks, but it's K-tips, and it's going to be the curly K-tips. I had microlinks before in the past, and it was more on straighter hair. It was like my texture straight here, but it wasn't curly, and actually damaged my hair because I was straightening a lot, and like the front was just straight every time I curled it back up, and it just kind of damaged my hair. So I'm looking forward to doing this K-tips with curly hair, and they said it lasted 6 months, which is good. I wouldn't have to worry about doing my hair and things like that. But anyways, what is this video even about? Because like I just went long-winded. But what is this video about? Like I just gave y'all a whole recap on my life. But this video is specifically about, it's a mommy video. So obviously you guys know I'm a new mom. My baby is 5 months now. He just turned 5 months this week. And when I was like, getting things for, baby shower, putting things on my list, just getting things before he came, I was like, do I really need a diaper bag? Is this really a necessity? Like, do I need a diaper bag? I didn't think I need one because I didn't think I was gonna be going out with baby a lot. But I just, in using what I have, which I'm gonna show you guys, I realized I do need a diaper bag. So I got this diaper bag from the hospital. You get it from Infamil, and you get like a gift from the hospital with the Infamil milk, which my son does not drink. If you need Infamil samples or like the little milk or formula, let me know, drop it in the comments. I will literally donate that to you. I have a lot of formula that my son didn't take. He's been through 5 formulas, which that could be a whole nother video for a whole nother time. But this is the bag that we got. So it's a basic diaper bag. It had all the things that we needed. It has the front part, where the front part has, a little zip, and it has like things in like little compartments and stuff. And then the big part, and then it has something on the side where you can put your water in. And then it was like a little backpack. I thought it was really cute. I thought that it will be fine because I don't plan on going much places with my son. We go to doctor's appointments, which is once a month, but recently I've been going to a lot more doctor's appointments for him because he has eczema, which is a story for another time. But this is the bag I have. I decided that to put on my Christmas list to get a new diaper bag, because this one, it's good, it does all the things, but what I noticed is if I have his bottle, I usually fill it with water before we go out. I don't want to bring the water jug. I fill it with water and it spills everywhere. There was one time he had a blowout. The water spilled everywhere in the bag. I had extra clothes for him in the bag, and the clothes got wet because everything in the bag got wet, and he had a blowout, and I didn't have no extra clothes. I didn't know what to do. So he had to go home. Like, we had to rush home because we were on the road. We had to rush home because he had no clothes. So it was a lot. But that's why I decided to upgrade. So I did upgrade to a new bag, which I'm gonna show you guys. So this is me literally unboxing the bag. So it's I don't even know how to pronounce the name. Dodge Dover. So this is a bag that the girlies recommended on Threads, the moms. And I decided, okay, it was time for me to upgrade and let me purchase this bag. I also wanted something that my husband can wear if he goes out with him, and also I can wear. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So ooh, it looks very nice. This is my first time unboxing it, so you guys are seeing my real reaction. So I got this size medium. I believe the large would have been too big, and I think the small would have been too small. So I got the medium. I already like the material of this because it seems like it'll be more water resistant proof. But I mean, that's another case. I have to see where I have to store the bottle, or where I would store the bottle, because obviously, even if it's inside, if it's inside and something spills or whatever, everything's gonna get wet. So let's see. Let me just take off all this stuff. Let's unzip it. I don't want to take off everything because, what if I want to return it? What if this is not the right one? Let's just open it first and see how it is. So already I see they have a branded duster, which is real luxe. It's giving luxurious. Okay, it's like an RV fatigue one. That's real cute. I guess you could store the bag when you want to, and that's just giving me Louis Vuitton. This is a bag. I think it was around a $200 mark. So I guess for a diaper bag, that's, I guess, pretty expensive in a way. So I mean, this is luxury, I guess. So let's go inside the bag, see what they have. So it comes with a little pouch. I can probably, I don't know, put supplies in there for him, maybe his lotion and things like that, because he has eczema, so we have to bring lotions and things when we go out. This is the strap, I believe. Yes. Let's see. Oh, I see there's a compartment for the where a bottle would go. But let's see this. This looks like it's like a changing thing, which it is. Okay, so this is where you would change the baby on this little thing. I have the ones, I got them from Target. I don't know what brand it is, but I will tag it below once I find out the brand. I think it's Up a Baby. But I have these the changing pads where I have maybe 4 or 5 of them, and I just have them all around the house. So I have one in my room, I have one in baby's room, I have one downstairs in the living room, and then I keep one to carry on the go with me. But I wouldn't need that because it comes with its own. So Like I could change baby on this and he'll be fine. So let me go ahead and pack this back up. It's easy and it's very like mobile. You see how easy it was for me to even pack that up. All right, so let's keep going. Let's see. Okay, so there's the strap. I'll put that to the side. But I do want to show you guys inside once I kind of get in there. Oh, wait, there's something else. Okay, this is like a plastic bag. I can probably put his clothes in here. Again, luxurious. It has their branding on it. So I could probably put either his clothes or maybe even fill it with the bottles, depending. If we go on a road trip, we take a lot of bottles. Sometimes we take a lunchbox with us. So, I mean, I could either put the diapers in here or I can put his clothes in here. We'll see what I do. And then it seems like this. Oh, okay. So this can store bottles. I mean, I would say this only fits one of his bottles, but it actually has a little clip here. So the little button, and you can button it back into the actual bag. So let me show you inside the bag. So this is inside. As you can see, there's a little area I could store, or my husband can store the laptop, our laptops, which, does my laptop fit? Yeah, I believe our laptop will fit in there. So we can store a laptop in there, because I normally don't bring a purse when it comes to me carrying a diaper bag. I'm not carrying a purse and a diaper bag. So I'll bring a laptop in here. There's an area, other areas for the bottles. So like you can see like in there, there's like a little mesh thing for the bottles. This has a little magnet. So you can put some diapers in here in this little section. I think it's really cute. And then the sides has like the water. You can put a water bottle for yourself. Another water bottle on this side. They even have this little stretchy thing where you could put something else in there. I don't know what, but and then the front. So I could probably put my purse in the front here if I wanted to. It also has like little pencil things. So I guess if you want to put pens and pencils, which I don't see no way I'm gonna be doing that because I ain't going to school or nothing with this bag. And then in the back, it's just the suitcase can go on a suitcase, which is really cool. There's a zipper right here, so a hidden little pocket. I think I'll put my wallet in this hidden pocket here, so it's not in the front. My mom gets worried when I take this bag out and I put my wallet in the front here. She's like, oh, your wallet's so exposed, blah, blah, blah. So now I have an excuse to put it right there. But yeah, so overall, I mean, wow, like it's very luxe, I love it. I'm gonna pack it up today. I'm gonna make sure I pack it with all his things. I'm just excited. So overall, I can't wait to use it. I'll probably do a packing video too. A packing video to where I'm packing it up. It might be a short, so subscribe to my channel so you can get all of my shorts, all of my videos. Like this video if you enjoyed it. That will definitely help me out. I am trying to hit the 500 followers mark so that I can get monetized. That would be amazing. I'm at like, I think 416 right now as I shoot this video. But I am doing a lot more content. So like if you're new here or if you never watch my videos, I'll be shooting videos about fashion, about e-com, because I am a Shopify expert. So if you're open to starting a business and selling something, I'm a Shopify expert and I specialize mostly in operations. And then also these lifestyle videos, so me being a new mom, me traveling, or me like enjoying time with my family and things like that. And also I am also an agent, a real estate agent, a realtor. So maybe even videos like that. It's just like random. So we just doing the things. But yeah, so yeah, I love this backpack. I mean, I love it. Like, I could even wear this without even it being a diaper bag, to be honest. I could wear this if I wanted to, like to go to work or to travel or something like that. I know this brand, Dodge Dover. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna find out how to pronounce it. But I know they specialize in other bags as well, so backpacks, duffel bags, and things like that. But specifically, obviously, I bought the diaper bag because I needed a new diaper bag. So, buy a bag, free diaper bag. We upgrade into this luxurious with the duster bag. Let me put her in the duster bag. Hold on. Let me put her in the duster bag. And why did I just give her a gender? I don't even know. But let me put her in there. Okay. Bam. That is so cute. I think that is so cute. Okay, but yeah, so that's the end of the video. I don't want to make it too long, and I know I went on a rant in the beginning of the video updating you guys on my life. But go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video. I really appreciate it. And just please subscribe to my channel so I can hit this goal in 2025. But yeah, so if you enjoy my vibes, go ahead and subscribe. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.